Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a functional plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks soft cover. This was last week and I'll link that down below. But today we're not going to use any stickers, but we will be using brush pens that I will show you in a bit. We'll also be using these PET dot stickers from AliExpress, and I'm pulling out all of my staple tools, and we'll be using this 𝐌𝐢𝐬𝐭 pen in EF nib. I'm going to start by lining or deepening the lines of the Hobonichi Weeks layout, and I'm just going to line for every day, but I will be missing the bottom one, which is for the weekend. And here on the right side, I'm going to deepen that little column, and I'm also going to be lining that for every day of the week except for the weekend. And I'm making a little section as well, and I'll show you what I'll be using that for in a bit. So these are the brush pens that I will be using for today. I only picked a few colors, and I'm also going to be using this brush pen from Hobonichi, and this was a freebie from ordering the Hobonichi cousin. And because the dot stickers from AliExpress is a little bit too big, I'm going to be using these clear dot stickers from the GP Studio. And they kind of match the color scheme that we are going for today, which is very neutral, gray and browns. And then I'm going to make a little bit of art here. It's not very good, so apologies for my drawing. But I thought that since it's Christmas week, I might just as well decorate this page a little bit more than I would normally. So here I just have a little drawing of a Christmas tree, and that's the only drawing that we will do today, and it has no bleed through, so I highly recommend these brush pens from Typo. At the bottom, I'm going to write my Christmas gift list so that I don't forget anyone. You can always switch between the gift list at the bottom or gift list at the top, depending on how long your list will be, but mine is not very long because I am in a foreign country instead of being home for Christmas. So here I'm using the AliExpress dot stickers, and I'm actually marking my upload days for my YouTube channel. I won't normally mark them this strongly, but I'm on recreational leave, so I don't have a lot of things to do, and YouTube is one of my major tasks. As for events, I am actually putting it or indenting the position of the dots just to make sure that there's enough contrast between the dots for my YouTube uploads as well as events. So I'm writing the type of video that I will be posting. And I'm also highlighting the events. So I have a few events to go to because it is Christmas week. And I actually made a mistake here. So I'm just going to draw an arrow to switch between the events that I wrote down. I'm also going to write down some to-dos for my YouTube channel, but these are not or separate from the littles that I will be writing down in a little bit. So here in this section are going to be my littles, for example laundry, and then someone's birthday, and then my running to-do list will be on this section. So I still do have some things to do, and I'd like to get started in cleaning up my spaces. And that's going to be what I need to do for this week. And this is the page done. Let me show you up close. So still very minimal, but a little bit fun. So for those of you who are only watching this video, Merry Christmas to you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful holidays. And I'll see you in my next video.